Okay, Thursday already. I can't believe it. There's only one more day this week. So let's get through today's task. Let's see what we need to do. So notice here there is only one task, and today it's the E of race. So everybody will be doing the same thing. It says check one. That's silly of me. I should have taken that off there, but that's okay. So you're going to you can come back here and click on this once you're done. I also want to remind you to find your target question in the classroom and type it in here, and then you'll come back and answer that at the end. Race again, we're going to go over this again, is how to answer a question. So you're going to restate the question. You're going to answer the question. You're going to cite text evidence. We did all of those on the other days. Today, we're going to be explaining what it means. So let's get started. So now that we've restated the question, answered it, and proved our answer by citing evidence, it's time to connect the answer with the text evidence. This is the step explain. Let's look at the following text and answer the questions. I'll bring that up in a second. I want to notice over here, you're going to have sentence stems to help you out. So let's see what the text says. So I see the question down below, what kind of food should you eat? So let's go ahead and read, take care of your teeth. You need healthy teeth. Do you know why? Your teeth help you eat. They help you talk. Here are some ways to care for your teeth. Brush your teeth after you eat. Eat healthful foods. Have a grown-up help you floss your teeth. Visit the dentist 2 times each year. And don't forget to smile. So I've read the text. Let's go to the next slide and see what it is we have to do. So we have this text here, and it says, what kind of food should you eat? So I have to restate. The kind of food you should eat is, okay, I've got all the key words, looks good. And I'm going to answer it. I see that healthy food is what I should eat. I'm noticing it says it right here in the text, eat healthful foods. I'm going to cite with a sentence stem and quotation marks. The author states, eat healthful foods. I see eat healthful foods right here. So I've done those exact words. I've got my quotation marks. I've got my comma here. And there's a sentence stem from the site. Now I have to explain with the sentence stem from the chart. So one of the sentence stems is the evidence shows. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. The evidence shows that healthy food is what we should eat. Healthful and healthy mean the same thing. So I've explained it by saying, I said healthy is my answer. It says healthful here. So I need to help explain how healthful and healthy are related. Now, I want you to know, I know this is a super easy text for you to read, but I did this on purpose because we're practicing this skill. So now let's put it all together. The kind of food you should eat is healthy food. The author states, eat healthful foods. The evidence shows that healthy food is what we should eat. Healthful and healthy mean the same thing. So that's it. That's all I have to do. So today you're going to have to explain your answer. So here's the good news. Let's look what your task is for today. You're going to go back to whatever you chose yesterday, which one you chose to do. You've already answered it. You've already restated the question. You've already answered it. You've already cited evidence. Now you're going to go back and explain, how does your evidence and your answer, how are they connected? How does your text evidence prove your answer? Okay, so I want you to practice this skill. Make sure, look it down here. It says, be sure to highlight your explanation somehow so I can see what you did. You can actually use the highlight feature if you know how. You can bold your text. You can make the text a different color. You could make it a different size. You could make it a different font. Just make sure I can tell what you added so that I can go back in and truly grade your work. Once you're done with that, make sure you go back and answer your target question, okay? And once you're done with that, you are done with reading for today, other than your 30 minutes of silent reading. You can go back and do Imagine Learning as well, or any tasks you haven't completed yet. And if you haven't already, you can go over and do math. And I want to remind you that Imagine Learning is going to be required starting next week. Other than that, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Good job.